Hi, I'm Buzz Delano with CelerityTechnologies. We're here at CEDIA 2016. It's Saturday morning. It's the last day of the show. We've had a great show. What Celerity is known for is fiber optic HDMI. We're the fastest, most reliable 18 gig fiber optic interface in the market for HDMI. One of the benefits of Celerity is the fact that you can run the fiber, but you don't have to terminate it. No tools, no termination kits are necessary. You simply pre-wire the fiber, and this is the Celerity fiber, comes on a nice spool, and the second step is to attach the detachable connector right to your components. So it's very fast. Real quick installation, just pre-wire and connect with Celerity and we'll pass 18 gig. You can attach an HDMI connector, or Celerity is available in a Keystone module, transmitter, or receiver. The fiber cable from Celerity that goes in the wall is Plenum-Rated. It's available from 35 feet to 1,000 feet in length. It supports 4K, 60 hertz, 444 color, 18 gigabits bandwidth. It's available nationally at finest distributors, many dealers, and our website is CelerityTechTek.com.